I don't think anyone's actually bad at math. There's just gaps. My advice would be to just keep trying different things, and if you make a mistake, that's actually a part of your learning. You have to make mistakes to be able to grow.
We have our annual MathFest happening for the past 2 days here at the school. And we've been actively engaged in a lot of math activities.
I'm Presley Beardy and we're doing the Math Scavenger Hunt.
My name is Saunders Memorial and we are playing boning arrows.
Really big changes, like especially for students having fun with math right now. So we have integrated technology through math as well. So that made a big impact for them too.
Students need to learn hands-on math because that's the way math works mostly in your life. So if you're not able to understand the math concept with hands-on activities, they're relying on memorization, and a lot of the time through the years, memorization doesn't carry forward. Learning hands-on really develops the understanding of the concepts.
What game were you displaying?
Prime number flip cup.
What is a prime number?
They can only be divided by the number 1.
My name is Rory and then we're playing basketball.
My name is Quentin. A math game.
They were highly engaged, they were highly motivated because our students, they love hands-on activities.
I think what really stood out is that the kids are more confident and they are taking a lot more risks when it comes to trying something new or problem solving.
It really makes me proud as a principal to see they're celebrating their achievements of one another when they see students succeed. It's not like a competition, but more of a camaraderie between our students.